Hi friends, welcome to AQ. In this video, we are going to learn about how to derive mirror formula. So I have drawn a concave mirror and I have marked some distances, that is the distance between the object and the mirror is u, and the distance between the image and the mirror is v, and the distance between the focal length is f, and the distance between the object and the 2f is u minus 2f, and the distance between 2f and the point A I have marked it for our convenience. So this is 2f minus v, and the distance between f and the A is v minus f. So why do I writing this distances? To connect the object focus and the image distance, because in our examination they will ask they will give us object distance and focal length and ask the image distance, so we are connecting these three quantities. Okay, so if we see in this particular scenario, that is these two triangles will be similar according to a similarity, because the area similarity tells us that in two triangles, the two angles are equal, means the two triangles will be similar. So these two triangles should be similar. So their sides are proportional to each other. So I can write that h by h dash is equal to f by p minus f. You can see that these two triangles are similar. So I am this height, that is this height will be h, and this height will be h dash. So h by h dash is equal to f by v minus f. So, and I have a second pair of similar triangles, that is these two triangles are similar because these two angles are 90 degree and these two angles are vertical opposite angles, so they will be equal. So this is also according to a similarity, they two are similar, and we can simply proportional the side from h by h dash is equal to, let me change the color for better indication, will be equal to this u minus 2f by this distance, that is 2f minus v. So from this we can equate this to, that is f minus v minus f by v minus f will be equal to u minus 2f by 2f minus v. So f by v minus f is equal to u minus 2f by 2f minus v. And when you cross multiply this, that is 2f square minus fv is equal to v minus f into u minus 2f. And from this, that is 2f square minus fv is equal to vu minus 2fv minus fu minus 2f square. So, sorry, this is plus 2f square because minus get cancelled. So from this we can cross out this 2, that is 2f square, 2f square. So we can cross out this 2, and we can see that this is 2fv and this is minus fv. So we can cancel out, that is uh, it will become this side. So fv is equal to vu minus fu. So from this, let's divide the whole thing by uvf. Sorry, I wrote. Why I am doing this? Because we want that image distance, object distance, and the focal length. So there are many focal lengths and image distance, so we can't connect. We want a unique equation for all those quantities. So I am dividing this. So when I divide this, I will get Fe cancelled. I will get 1 by u 1 by u will be equal to here vu cancels and 1 by u will be equal to 1 by f, and here fu cancels minus 1 by v. So the equation would be 1 by u equal to 1 by f minus 1 by v. So we if we are given with the object distance and the focal length, we can find the image distance, and when we give image distance with the focal length, we can find object distance and vice versa. And we can derive this by placing the object between 2 and f and between f and p also. And I would like do it yourself so you can also derive this. Your knowledge will be very increased. So this is the mirror formula, and there are this is the same type for also convex lens also. The lens formula also this using the similar lines we can prove the lens formula also. So friends, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.